It's been a while since I have been uploading videos on YouTube. The reason is simple because I'm still trying to get the setup right to have the motor vlog thing. It's not really working. I'll explain in the video later, but unboxing of a new helmet which I got. It cannot be used as a motor vlogging helmet, but still, I just want to unbox it. So let's do it together. This is the new helmet which I got. I'm going to open it myself for the first time in front of you so you feel the experience, how it is. That's the box. This is what inside the box is. It's a bag, carry bag. That's a good thing about Shark. They do supply with good stuff. Obviously, Shark comes with a tinted visor. Here's the helmet. Now we are going to reveal it and see what it is. I know what I ordered, obviously, but whoa, that is beautiful. So the blue matches the R1. And look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? How cool is that? That is beautiful. This is a racing helmet, obviously, full carbon fiber. And I love how it looks. It looks really sick, really beautiful. So yeah, this is size small. The one I have is X small, the one I crashed in. So this is the helmet with the flaps. This is a new gen, and the old gen is at the back. It's there. You don't need to see that. This is the helmet. Visor comes up. I like the visor as well. Looks nice. Matte finish look. Glossy carbon actually, but this part is also glossy. I wanted this matte, but apparently it's glossy. It's fine. I ordered matte, but anyway, it's okay. It's so cool. Look at that. So when you're riding fast and you're looking there and you want to lean this side so that aerodynamics helps you go. It's not really going to work in my favor. Not that fast. So, but it's still pretty cool to have, right? Pictures would be nice at least. So I don't know what to say anymore about the helmet. It's pretty good. Carbon fiber, glossy finish. Looks nice. I will upload some pictures on my Instagram so you can see what it actually looks like in pictures and slow motion videos. Everyone loves those. But yeah, this is the new helmet. But the main thing is I need to start vlogging, motor vlogging. I have not been doing that for a while. The reason being simple but sadly, for some reason, my mic on my Shark, it doesn't even fit inside. So I need to do the setup on the AGV. Hopefully, I'll be able to do a setup. And tomorrow night, there's a ride. Join the ride and try to do a vlog with it. Hopefully. Now, no commitments here. No commitments anywhere. But yeah, this goes on the shelf. Oh, it has some. Oh, it has some nice something inside. Pretty cool. Looks nice. I don't know what it is, but yeah, we'll open it later peacefully.